Renzo has some questions, so I want to kind of go over those questions with him.
I'm just a humble 26-year-old man, and I got a lot of questions. And it's just Renzo Loyola. I'm one of his agents. Been here for about 3
years.
3 and some change. You know what I mean? So
I'm learning a lot, by the way.
I'm telling you.
He's probably more advanced than a normal 3-year-old agent or broker, right? Because he's heard me talk so much about so many different things that he's becoming more rounded, and which I'm glad, right?
I've never seen a man make more phone calls in like the span of 2 hours while driving. It's insane. You know what I mean? So I'm just like a sponge, and I have to be a sponge. I just kind of have to take it all in. And one of the things that I'm taking, I mean, it's not just career advice, right? And like the business, the craft of being. It's not. I get a lot of that, right?